Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to defer or delay Windows 11 2022 update or feature upgrades, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the Run window. In the Run window, type the command regedit and hit Enter to open the Registry Editor window. Go to HKey Local Machine, Software, Policies, Microsoft Windows. Right click on Windows, select New Key and mention it as Windows Update. Hit Enter. Now scroll down in this post and you'll find this option named Defer Upgrade. You can copy this or write it yourself. In the right pane in the Registry Editor window, right click and select New DWORD 32-bit value. Either paste it here or type it. Double click on it and change the value data to 1. Click on OK to save the settings. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.